Ang bahaging ito ay hatid sa inyo ng Philippine Sports Commission.
Looking for the best deals? Head to Robinson's Department Store, your one-stop shop for daily essentials and unbeatable savings. Don't miss out. Shop now!
Welcome, and first off, congratulations in your recent competition. Nag-uwi ka naman ulit ng medal. Pero of all the competitions na sinalihan mo, ano ba yung pinaka-tumatak sa'yo?
First of all po, thank you very much po for inviting me. And siguro po yung pinaka-tumatak is the Asian Championship po, which was last month, May. Kasi it's been 2 or 3 years since I got the gold medal po last. So, nung previous year is nag-silver ako. And ngayon po, this year nakuha ko po ulit ng gold.
Ika, lagi nakapag-uwi ng gold, but you still in the podium. Pero paano ka nagiging consistent on that?
Siguro po, kasi through the years and through the experiences na nakuha ko na rin with competing, siguro po yung will ko to win is, paano ba? Kasi every competition po, I take it as a lesson. It's either, I take it as something na pwede ko magagamit sa sunod ko pa competition. So, every competition is a process sa akin. Kasi, I improve on something. And, lahat ng yon, every competition, nag-accumulate siya to bettering myself sa mga kalaro ko. And, I think, for the past few competitions na I was traveling alone. So I recently competed na mag-isa lang ako. I think that proves na medyo malawak na rin po yung knowledge ko and yung experience ko na kaya ko na i-handle.
What do you mean you traveled alone and you competed alone?
Because yung recent ko pong 2 competitions like weeks ago. So I went to Armenia as athlete/coach. And thankfully, I ended up with the medal. And the week after that, I went to Paris for the Sambo Paris Grand Prix. Yun din po, fortunately, uwi rin po ako with the medal.
All alone? Wala?
Yes.
Wow.
And very proud po ako kasi that competition, it was my first time to join the Grand Prix. Surprisingly, pagdating ko doon, sa amin yung category na medyo malakas talaga. Kasi 3 kami na World Championship medalists. And my World Champion yung isa timbang namin. So, after the long travel na pinagdaanan ko, since prior to that week, sabi ko, shucks, oh my God, ito na naman!
Pero how different is it na ikaw lang mag-isa for the last 2 tournaments compared dun sa mga previous tournaments na meron kang ibang kasama?
Hindi naman po siya ganun kabago for me. Kasi, dati, nung medyo, hindi pa kami recognized, is because of, lack of resources, I would tell my parents na I want to compete or I want to train overseas. So, pag-ipunan ko yun. And, after ko makaipon, sabi ko, okay, mag-book ako ng ticket, mag-book ako ng tirahan ko, magsasabi ako na gusto ko mag-join or mag-join sa camp or sa competition ng organization na yun. And, I think, yun yung naging starting ng parang, magsasabi ako na gusto ko mag-join or mag-join sa camp or sa competition ng organization na yun. And I think yun yung naging starting ng parang very, paano ko ba i-explain? Very go-getter. So pag gusto ko talaga. So no matter what the circumstances are, if I want, I would really try
At
to go.
napakaswerte mo because you have a very supportive parents. Yes.
And kasi yung paglaro ko po alone is not the first time naman din. So even during the pandemic, I competed alone even with all the restrictions. So yun po yung parang, yun din yung isa sa mga start na yung naglaro na ako ng World Championship. Ako lang yung isa. And I think through that, naging mas malawak din po yung network ko sa Sambo community. Kasi they would see me competing na ako lang mag-isa. And I would make friends. So yung ibang coaches, they would sit on my corner pag laro ko na. And I was able to make friends kasi they would help me do my warm-up. So, yun din po siguro yung isa sa tingin ko na nakatulong sa akin to building yung network namin. So, for Sambo. At this point po, na ano po kasi kami, lalo na ako na-empower ako na when I compete, I can handle myself very well inside the mats. Ever since bata pa po ako, hindi ako madali mag-panic pag naglalaro. And I think yun yung isa sa mga advantages and kaya mas nakakayanan ko po mag-isa. And also, ito na po yung kinalakihan ko. So, yung fundamentals ko po is step by step. So, every time na naglalaro ako, kailangan ko lang, pag nawala ako konti, ay babalik lang ako doon. Paano nga yun ulit? Tapos babalik ako sa step by step, tapos makukuha ko siya ulit.
Paano mo i-name yung sarili mo? Kasi sabi mo, kahit nung bata ka pa lang, you were already introduced to this kind of, can I say, approach when it comes to playing soccer.
Kasi po, nung bata ako, hindi naman ako yung pinaka-impressive na athlete na yung parang, wow, ang ganda ng ganito niya, ang ganda ng ganyan.
Ang programang ito ay hatid sa inyo ng Bank of the Philippine Islands. Do more with BPI.
Ang bahaging ito ay hatid sa inyo ng Smart Sports.
Pero paano ko na-introduce dito sa sport?
With my dad. Kasi my dad is my first coach. And at first, na-introduce kami kasi parang magsa-start siya ulit magturo. So kami yung una niyang student, me and my brother. And at first, hindi naman kami yung pinalaro kami kasi kailangan namin maglaro. Pinalaro kami kasi masaya maglaro. I think, naturally, sa amin, lumalabas yung magiging competitive. So, I think, ako yung medyo mabilis kasi na ni-launch sa competition. Kasi, when I was younger, medyo, na rin po, hindi ako yung very flimsy. Medyo matangkat na ako, okay naman yung katawan ko. Yung kapatid ko medyo fragile kasi hindi siya ganun kalaki ng bata. Tapos, ayun, I competed like 1 month in sa paglalaro.
Wow!
So, feel ko dun ko rin masabi na maganda yung fundamentals ko kasi given na 1 month lang ako since nag-start habang sa naglaro ako. It was a process na yung hanggang ngayon po kasi nag-improve. I can see myself improving pa rin po. So sa tingin ko po yung naging fundamentals ko is tama. Kasi hanggang ngayon progressive pa rin po.
Sabi mo masaya ang Sambo. What makes Sambo fun for you?
One is the environment. Kasi for me, Sambo is a group of happy people lang na from iba-ibang sport and pinagsama-sama kami and we have differences but when it's time to train, we train. But when we have fun, we come together and we have fun together.
Bakit Sambo yung napili mo above or among all other combat sports?
Kasi Sambo gave me opportunities that other sports couldn't and wouldn't. Like competitions, which is very important. Actually po, ang nag-start po na magbigay sa akin ng first international experience, first international competition was wrestling. I'm very thankful kasi dahil doon nag-spark yung gusto ko na na parang gusto ko ulit maglaro internationally kasi I was 16, kami, Children of Asia sa Yakutsk. So, it was a long flight. Sabi ko, oh my God, ganito pala yun. Mag-flight kami to Doha to Moscow, tapos Moscow to Yakutsk. So, ang saya naman. I get to experience, I get to see people. Ang daming pogi. Di ba? Ang daming pogi sa village, yung ganon. Sabi ko, shucks, ganito talaga. Ganito pala maging athlete, ganon. When the opportunity came naman for 2017 na SEA Games, naglaro naman po ako for judo. So, naikot ko na po silang lahat.
Wow, ikaw na!
Naikot ko na po yung iba-ibang sport.
Judo, sambo,
wrestling, courage,
yes. Combat sport din.
Yes. So, lahat po, naikot ko na. Sa family namin, especially po kami, pag nag-uusap kami, hindi matatapos yung araw na hindi kami nag-uusap about it. About martial arts or about anything connected sa ganon. Kasi feeling ko yun na rin po yung pinalakihan namin. Yun na yung naging bonding namin. So, every tournament dati, pag kami nagpapalaro, kami mag-aayos ng mga mats. Tapos kinabukasan kami rin maglalaro doon. Ganon.
Ang programang ito ay hatid sa inyo ng Bank of the Philippine Islands. Do more with BPI.
As a go-getter, kasi sabi mo nga, di ba? Parang very competitive ka. How do you take yung mga ganong loss?
Doon ko po na-realize ang hirap ng wrestling. Grabe po. Kasi, ang grabe po yung pinagdaanan kong training noon. Grabe po talaga, sexy pa ako ngayon, pero grabing payat ko po noon. Grabe payat ko noon. Tapos, wala akong maleta, nawala yung maleta ko along the way, yung mga ganyan. Tapos, paglaro ko, shucks, hindi ako nanalo. Tapos, kailangan ko manalo. Ang sakit po nun kasi, nakakapagod. Grabe po yung pagod ko.
Mawalan ka ba naman ng maleta?
Wala na akong maleta. Wala po, nag-lose weight po ako, wala akong maleta. Di ba, ang baho po nun. Pag ganun, pag takbo, laba.
After competition, okay.
Grabe po. Yun yung pinaka-painful siguro for me.
Okay.
Kasi,
ano naman yung opposite ng painful? Pinaka talagang masaya na...
Pinaka-masaya? First SEA Games po, 2017, judo. Kasi, late notice na maglalaro ako for judo. And when I went there, since bata pa kami, ang dream namin is mag-SEA Games. Kasi may stuffed toy si Papa sa bahay ng SEA Games niya.
Anong year ng SEA Games to?
95. Yung, basta may stuffed toy siya doon na puti, na parang monkey, na basta gano'n. Sabi namin, gusto namin yan, ganyan. Tapos, hindi, nakukuha mo medyo pag nagsigip na, ganyan. So,
how old were you then?
Starting 8 years old. 9, nung nagsisimula kami maging athlete. And naka-display siya sa bahay namin.
At nagkatotoo
Tapos nagkatotoo siya po after, like when I was 17. Then I lost my first fight. When I lost my first fight, yun yung grabe. Hindi ko shocks. Hindi ko kayo ata manalo. Tapos, nanood siya. Nanood si Papa. He wasn't my coach. So, nanood siya. Sabi niya, kaya mo yan. Wala lang. Kaya mo yan, manalo. Pag nanalo po ako ng second, magme-medal ako. So, okay. Sabi niya, sige lang, panalungin mo yung pangalawa. Wala na, tapos na isa eh. So, dun na sa pangalawa, change na yung focus mo. Nanalunin mo lang. Kaya mo. Sabi niya, kaya mo, nakita ko yung laro. Kaya mo. Ganon. Grabe, with the confidence, booster.
Siyempre.
The best po yan siya rara sa akin. Tapos, yun, sabi niya ganon. Grabe po, iyak ko nun. Grabe iyak from first match. Tapos, pagka panalo ko, SEA Games na ako. And for me, SEA Games po yung parang isa sa mga standard ng pagiging atleta, lalo na dito sa atin. Pag naka-SEA Games ka, SEA Games na.
Your brother, si Chino, also nagsasampo siya. When you were starting, nakita po ba, was there a competition between the two of you?
Wala po, kasi magaling po pagka-set up sa amin ng parents namin. Kasi una pa lang, hindi kami pinarehas ng grade level. Even though same kami ng birth year.
Okay.
So, I'm always the ate. So, 1 year ahead ako sa kanya. And when we had to transfer na from public school to private school.
Okay. In your career, na naging coach mo din yung dad mo, ano yung pinaka-tumatak sa'yo na reminder niya when you were just starting or already playing?
Safety, palagi. Pag once na na-injure ka, hindi ka na 100% makabalik. No, always, safety ang pinaka-priority mo.
You never got injured?
So far, wala pa po kami injury.
Paano?
Fundamentals.
Okay. Pag sinabing sambo sa babae, pangalan mo agad ang nilina. How does it make you feel to be recognized as the only, diba? Sydney Tangkot nga, equivalent to sambo sa babae.
Very happy po and honored. Kasi, I can say na sambo helped me in so many ways. And I also want to help other athletes na like me na nangarap lang din. When Sambo came to the Philippines and Sambo was recognized, parang yun yung naging path ko, yun yung naging way ko para ma-fulfill ko pa rin yung dream ko as an athlete. Kasi if Sambo wasn't there, I don't think I'll be talking to you. I don't think I'd be here. And kasi sa ngayon po, yung nakikita kong path is parang papalaganapin natin yung Sambo to help other people and to help other athletes na aspiring to compete. Kasi yun naman po ang every athlete's dream, di po mag-compete. I'm very happy na part ako nung start na yun. And I want to pay it forward. And I want also na mag-sustain siya. Kasi hindi naman pwede na ako lang. So, yun po yung goal namin.
Okay, last question. Anong meron si Sydney? Bakit tuwing kumain nagko-compete laging may inuuwing medal?
Kasi masaya po ako sa ginagawa ko. And I think yun yung pinaka-important ingredient sa lahat. Kahit sa work, sa kahit saan mo gawin, kailangan happy ka, kailangan gusto mo yung ginagawa. Masaya ako sa ginagawa ko, kaya every competition, tinatry ko mag-uwi ng medal kasi masaya ako sa ginagawa ko, and pag nakakawi ako ng medal, masaya rin si Pilipinas Sambo.
Thank you so much!
Thank you po!
Ang programang ito ay hatid sa inyo ng Bank of the Philippine Islands. Do more with BPI.
Waterproofing o sealant ba ang hanap mo? Sa German technology ng Sista, protektado ka hanggang 10 taon. Yan ang tapal na tatagal.